What if I told you that the future of gaming is here, where ultra-realistic graphics, mind-blowing speed, and AI-driven performance come together? Welcome to the world of the GeForce RTX 50 series. The power of GeForce RTX 50 series is not just a graphics card, it's a revolution. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 at max settings, 4K resolution, and still getting ultra-smooth frame rates. Thanks to NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, this GPU takes performance to a whole new level. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a streamer, the RTX 50 series gives you lightning-fast speeds, AI-powered rendering, and next-gen ray tracing. Let's talk about the beast itself, the RTX 5090. With a staggering 21,760 CUDA cores, 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, and DLSS 4 technology, it delivers insanely high frame rates while keeping power efficiency in check. The RTX 5080 isn't far behind, making high-end gaming more accessible with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and improved cooling. Even the mid-range RTX 5070 packs a serious punch for 1440p and 4K gaming. This is more than just an upgrade, it's a game-changer. With AI-enhanced upscaling, real-time ray tracing, and next-level performance, the GeForce RTX 50 series is shaping the future of gaming. So, are you ready to experience the most powerful graphics card ever? Rock it!